हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे आई नो दिस कंसेप्ट इज़ वेरी 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 मीन्स easily available on internet. Everyone get it, but everyone have different video and they have big videos, means like 10 to 20 minutes of videos. So in this video I'm going to cover activate screen and हम activate screen कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग अ नंबर ऑफ, मीन्स देर आर नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी की हम PLC से कर सकते हैं, HMI से कर सकते हैं. बाय यूजिंग HMI वी हैव प्लेंटी पॉसिबिलिटीज. सो हम इस वीडियो में वही देखने जाने वाले हैं. सो आई हैव ओनली 4 स्क्रीन्स लाइक रेसिपी, ग्राफिक्स, सेटिंग एंड एडमिन. तो हम इसको एक्टिवेट स्क्रीन कैसे करते हैं, आपको ये बहुत मीन्स एवरीवन नोज इट इज़ वेरी 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 इजीली very simple function we can say. So what we do, we go to press screen, and in a screens we have activate screen, activates previous screen. but हम यहाँ पे activate previous screen नहीं use करेंगे, we are going to use the activate screen. So which screen we need to activate? We are going to activate the screen called recipe from here. So I activate the screen called recipe because I have given the button call name recipe. Here I have activate my screen setting, and here is admin because I have only 4 screen. So this is the first screen, so it is a default screen, and this one go to recipe, this one go to setting, and this one go to admin. So this is a simple function I have done. Now second once I came to recipe screen, I have another function I can use that called, okay, I have not given, okay, we'll do it here only. On activate screen we can use this previous screen called activate previous screen. What that function do, it goes from this screen to previous screen. What is my previous screen? My previous screen was graphics because my graphics is my default screen. You can see here a arrow, green arrow. This shows a default screen, or you can activate any screen as a default screen. Like here I can activate a define as a start screen. So this is my default screen or start screen. So what this function do, it goes to my previous screen. And what is my previous screen? What's graphics, because I came from graphics. So and I have another function called activate screen by number. Okay, for that we can use there are also multiple possibility. We can use called screen. This is, what is this? Symbolic IO field. We can use here a symbolic IO field, or we can use a text list. We can use a text list, and in this text list we can use our screen name, recipe, graphics, setting, and from drag down, drag down. I think so. This is the right word for this arrow, down arrow. So when it is scroll, we have four drag downs like recipe. So when we select on recipe and when we enter, like here I have created a enter button, so it will go to that screen. But we are not going to use this drag down function here. I am going to use simple IO field, and I will give I have created one tag admin. It is an internal tag. It is a int tag, you can see here, and a format is 99. 99 means up to 10. Up to 99 I can give, but here I have only called 4 screen, so I can select 9 also, because up to 9 means 0 to 9 it can select. If I have screen up to 9, then this format is usable. So I have used admin as an int function, and this is a tag I have given here. So if I enter 4 here, 4, and I press on enter button, it will goes to what? Admin my admin screen. So this function is used on change. I use on a change activate screen by number. This is also come under screens. You can see here, first is previous activate previous screen that we have seen, activate a screen that also we have seen, and activate screen by number. So here I given the tag called admin, and that's it. This is the thing. We have covered 3 functions of screen, and next 3 we are going to cover in further videos. So what we do, we save our project, and first I will what I do, I will activate my monitor our screen. So let's do it. We'll go to recipe. You can see I came to my recipe. Recipe is here, and you can see my video on recipe. I have created a video on recipe, how to create a recipe, how to rename, delete, how to create new recipe in it, how to download it into PLC, from PLC to covered. I have created one simple recipe called how to make a tea because I like tea very much. So this is okay, it is related to coffee, not tea, but this is the recipe function we have used. Okay, you can see here, I can go to my previous screen. You can see I came back to my graphic screen. I can go on setting also, on admin also, but in setting and admin I have not created anything, means I have not given the function called back screen or activate screen. So if I go there, I have to close my monitor function and come back again. So for that I will go to recipe screen, and we'll put here we can put here a 4 as a, we can go to directly admin screen. Oh sorry, I will put 4, enter and enter. You can see this is the admin screen. You can see my screen admin is 4th. So these 3 functions we have covered under this video, and next video we are going to cover next 3 functions of screen, or properties of screen, whatever you called. But so if you understand this concept, please like to my videos, share with your friend, subscribe to channel, stay tuned, because mind-blowing videos are coming, bro. So thank you for watching this, and stay tuned. See you soon.